How to change audio in Instagram Reels and posting. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to change audio in Instagram Reels after posting. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to launch Instagram app on your device and make sure that you log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down and look for the post where you want to change the audio of. Now tap on three dots at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and here you got edit button. Select that. And here you'll be reached to this page where you can see write a caption, tag people, add location and other option. But there is no such option to change audio in Instagram Reels after posting. Instead, what you can do is come back and then tap on the three bar menu icon at top right. Now you need to scroll down to the bottom of your screen. Then tap on Help option. Tap on Report a problem and tap on Report problem without checking. Tap on Include and Continue. And here on this section, you simply need to type in your feedback like I want to unblock the feature to be able to change my audio on my Instagram Reels after posting and then submit your feedback. Instagram support usually responds within 24 to 48 hours. If approved, you will get a pop up or notification that the feature is now available. With that, you will successfully change audio in Instagram Reels after posting. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and comment.